minus 3970. 0 minus 0, how much children? 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 7, it is not possible. What we have to do? Take borrow from the 100 place. So this 6 becomes 5. We give borrow to 10th place. Add 10 to 5. 10 plus 5 becomes 15. 10 plus 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7, how much? 8. 15 minus 7, how much is it? 8. Then 5 minus 9, it is not possible. Okay? 5 minus 9 is not possible because 9 is greater than 5. So again we take borrow from which place? 1000 place. In the 1000 place 5 is there. This 5 becomes 4. Again we give adding 10 to 5. 10 plus 5, how much? 15. 15 minus 9, how much children? 6. Is it right? 15 minus 9, 6. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Answer is 1680. 1680. Once again, 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 7, it is not possible. Take borrow from 100 place. This 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 15 minus 7, 8. This 5 becomes 15 because it is not possible 5 minus 9. Take borrow from 1000 place. This 5 becomes 15. Add 10 to 5. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 9, 6. Here 5 becomes 4. 4 minus 3, 1. Answer is 1680. Next, second main, first one. Subtract 3859 from the minute is 5372. Okay children, here which is the minute? 5372. Here which is the subtrahend children? 3859. Subtrahend from minute. This is called as subtrahend. This is called as minute. You know that now. Next we have to subtract by 1 by 1. Okay. Here in the unit place 2 is there. So in the subtrahend place 9 is there. So is it possible children? Why? Because 9 is greater than 2 means subtrahend is greater than this minute. Okay. So 2 minus 9, is it not? It is not possible. Take borrow from the nearest tens place. So in the tens place 7 is there. So take borrow. Okay, borrow means is called a lot. So take borrow from the tens place. So this 7 becomes 6. So this 7 becomes 6 while taking borrow. Add 10 to the number. In the unit place 2 is there. Add 10 to this 2. 10 plus 2 becomes 12. 10 plus 2 becomes 12. So then we have to subtract 12 minus 3. What is the answer? 9. What is the answer? Sorry. 12 minus 9. Answer is 3. 12 minus 9. 3. Here 6 is there. 6 is in the unit tens place. 6 minus 5. How much? 1. 6 minus 5, 1. Here 3 minus 8. Here is also not possible. So take borrow from the 1000 place. This 5 becomes 4. So here 3 becomes 13. This 3 becomes becomes how much? 13. Add 10 to 3. 10 plus 3 becomes how much? 13. See, subtract yourself, children. 13 minus 8, how much? How much, children? Answer is 5. 13 minus 8, how much? 13 minus 8, how much? 5. See here in the 10,000 place, 4 is there. 4 minus 3, how much? 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Again, once again. See, 2 minus 9, it is not possible. Take borrow. Okay, 12. 12 minus 9, 3. Again, this 7 becomes 6. 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 8, it is not possible. Take borrow from 1000 place. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 8 becomes 5. Here 4 minus 3 becomes how much? 1. Answer is 1513. Next sum is, see, 8700 minus 3297. See, in the unit place 0 is there. 0 minus 7 not possible. Take borrow from the tens place. Here also 0. Take borrow from the 100 place. In the 100 place 7 is there. So this 7 becomes 6. This 0 becomes 10. Okay. Again we take borrow from tens place for the unit place. This 10 becomes 9 because we give borrow to the unit place. This 0 becomes 10. So while borrowing, we have to add 10 to the number. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 7, how much? 10 minus 7, do it yourself. 3. 9 minus 9, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 3, 5. Answer is 5403. So next sum, see, observe carefully. 9000 minus 5382. So in unit place, tens place, 100 place, all are 0. So what we have to do, children? We take borrow from the 1000 place. In the 1000 place, 9 is there. So take borrow means give borrow to all the places. This 9 becomes how much, children? 8. This 0 becomes 10. So we have to give the borrow to other places, no? So this 10 becomes 9. So we give borrow to the tens place. This becomes also, this becomes 10. Again we give borrow to the unit place. So this 0 becomes 10. This 9 becomes how much? 9. 10 minus 2, how much? 8. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 8, how much? 1. 9 minus 3, 6. 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. Answer is 3618. 3618. While doing these sums, you have to solve with me only. Okay, take your pen and rough book. You have to do yourself. Okay, write the question and write in your rough book, or it may be the homework book also. Okay, children. So do it yourself. So 4 minus 5, it is not possible. So take borrow from the nearest place. In the nearest place, tens place and 100 place is 0. So take borrow from 1000 place. This 6 becomes 5. This 0 becomes 10. So we have to give borrow to the tens place now. So this 10 place becomes 10. This 10 becomes 9. This 10 becomes how much? 9. Again we give borrow to the unit place. This 4 becomes how much? 14. So 10 plus 4 how much? 14. This 10 becomes 9. 14 Forward of the number. How much? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. What is the number here? How many fingers? 5. Answer is 9. Count remaining number is 9. So you are writing number children. Backward, that is 9. You get the answer. See, I will write 14, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Count from 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means steps 1, 2. From 14 you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the fifth skip, 9 is the answer. So answer is 9. Next, 9 minus 4, how much children? 5. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3, how much? 6. 5 minus 2, 3. Answer is 3659. Next, fifth sum is, see, here 3928 is minus 2593 is subtracted. So 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3, 5. 2 minus 9, it is not possible. Take borrow from 100 place. In the 100 place 9 is there. This 9 becomes 8. This 2 becomes 12. How? See, add 10 to the number. 10 plus 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9, how much children? 3. 12 minus 9, how much children? 3. 8 minus 5, 3. This 3 minus 2 becomes 1. The final answer is 1335. 1335. Next, sixth sum is, subtract 8004 minus 3108. In the unit place 4 is there. 4 minus 8, it is not possible. Why? You know that the 8 is the greater number. It means greater than the 5. 4. So we take borrow from the nearest place. Here there is no numbers, means 0 is there. Take borrow from 1000 place. This 8 becomes 7. So this 0 becomes 10. So we give borrow to this 10 to this 100 place. This 0 becomes 10, and again we give to 10 here. This 10 becomes 9. So take borrow from 10's place. This 4 becomes 14. This 10 becomes 9. 14 minus 8, how much? So we count forward. So how much children? So forward of the number, counting from 14 to 8. So once again I will write this number line. It is easy to writing. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5. So skip from 14. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 6 is the answer. Answer is 14 minus 6. How much children? 6. Okay. Again here 9 is there. 9 minus 0 becomes how much? 9. So subtract means anything which is subtracted from means 0 is the number itself. The number is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 7 minus 3, how much? 4. next main. Go to next main. That is solve word problems. Children, in third main, solve the following. Read the question. A farmer grows 3,290 kg of jowar. A farmer grows 3,290 kg of jowar. He kept 1,370 kg of it for his house. He grows 3,290 kg of jowar, but he kept in his house how much? 1,376 kg of jowar. So, and it will be kept in his house, hold, use and sold. What is the remaining means? He kept some jowar, the remaining one. What is the quantity of sold? Jowar sold. He kept some jowar in his house. How much? 1,376. But we have to calculate how much a farmer sold jowar. Jowar na ಎಷ್ಟು sold ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ find ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. So for that solution we have to write in the left column quantity of jowar grown by the farmer. By the farmer. How much? 3,290 kg. 3,290 kg. So he kept some jowar in his house. How much? He kept means quantity of jowar kept in his house. In his house. How much? 1,376. Right in the current place. 1,376 kg. So we have to subtract. It gives the jowar or the quantity of jowar sold. Therefore, quantity of jowar sold by a farmer. See, 0 minus 6 it is not possible. Take borrow from tens place. In the tens place 9 is there. This 9 becomes how much? 8. This 10 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 how much? 4. 10 minus 6 4. 8 minus 7 1. 2 minus 3 it is not possible. Take borrow from 1000 place. This 3 becomes 2. This 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3 how much? 9. 12 minus 3 9. So 2 minus 1 1. So the final answer is 1,914 kg. See, the remaining or the quantity of jowar sold by a farmer is 1,914 kg. See, once again I will explain this sum, children. Quantity of jowar grown, that is grown by the farmer is 3,290 kg. So quantity of jowar kept in his house is 1,376. So we have to calculate the quantity of jowar sold by the farmer. That is, we have to subtract the jowar grown by the farmer and he kept some jowar in his house, not that one. So we finally get 1,914 kg. So read the second sum. In a month, a person's earning is rupees 9,500. In a month, a person's earnings is rupees 9,500. He spent rupees 3,268 on his household expenses. How much money did he save? How much money did he save? So solution for this question is monthly earning is monthly earning. How much? A person earns some money, earning rupees 9,500. 9,500. He spent some money for some house expenses, household expenses. That is rupees 3,268. He spent for household expenses. How much? Rupees 3,268. So, how much money did he save? Therefore, money, how much money did he save? He saved some money, saving amount or saving money is subtract 3,268 from 9,500. In the unit place, 0 is there, take borrow from tens place. You know the rules. So takes borrow from 100 place. This 5 becomes 4. This 0 becomes 10. We give to the next place. This 0 becomes 10. This becomes 9. 10 minus 8, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 6, how much? 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 9 minus 3, 6. What is the saving amount? 6,232. So next question is, rupees 8,250 was collected from donors for school children's learning program. Rupees 8,250 was collected from donors for school children's learning program. After deducting all the expenses, rupees 8,894. All the expenses, rupees 894 was left. So, how much money was spent for the program? The first donor given to the children's program is rupees 8,250, but the remaining amount is only 8,894. So we have to calculate how much money we have to spend for the school program for the children. Solution. Amount collected from donor is how much? Rupees 8,250. But he left some amount. How much? Rupees 894. Left amount is right in the correct place. So 8 is in the 100 place. So right below 100 place, 894. 894. So now we have to calculate the spent amount for the program. Therefore, spent amount equals spent amount for the school program. Now we have to subtract. 0 minus 4, it is not possible. So take borrow from the nearest tens place. This 5 becomes 4. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 4, how much? 6. So 4 minus 9, it is not possible. You know that. Why it is not possible? Because 9 is greater than this 4. Take borrow from this 100 place. This 2 becomes 1. This 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 9, how much? 14 minus 9, that is 5. Answer is 5. Again, 11 minus 8, how much? 3. So this 8 becomes 7. 7 as it is. So for the school program, how much money was spent? Rupees 7,356. So write the classwork in the arithmetic classwork. Write neatly, children, and draw the lines. I will send through your WhatsApp number. Thank you, children.